Hello everyone, this is Perfect Storm Trading. Today we're going to review today's action, June 8th, 2021, and we're going to look at the XL Moon indicator. When I'm looking to trade with this, I go ahead and I put these yellow blocks in here, and I'll explain how I do that in a second. And this is where I'm looking to make trades off of. Here's what's coming up this afternoon at 6 o'clock, and here's what's coming tonight at 7:40. So to review this, what I'm looking at is I follow the green line the most, and I use the blue more as a trigger device. So right here we had a high with the green. The blue line would make a peak, so I'm looking for a high right up in here. It hit right here at the end of that. Then I'm looking at the green line again, and it comes down here and makes this bottom. So I'm thinking most of this action, because all of this is going down, is going to be a bottom, sideways to bottom action. And we'll look in this little block here on the blue line and to make a bottom, and we make this bottom in here. Then I look into further on, the green line comes up here and flattens, and then the blue line makes this peak right here this time between 8:18 and 8:27, end up being the high of the day. Then I'm again watching the green line as it's fallen. I look at this little action right in here. Could see a bottom in here, here and here. This is possible, but then I go on over and I find this really where it drops off, where the green is at one of its lower positions of the day. Even though the blue line didn't follow, it made sense that since I'm down here in this little bottom area, wherever this goes, it's going to go up from here. So we take off from here, go up here and hit this high, and this is where the blue line is peaking out at, and even the green line peaked out from here to here. So I was definitely looking for an up action right here. Now going from this point now I'm looking for it to pull back all the way into here till 7:40 tonight. Have a little bit of action here right at 6 o'clock where the blue line is peeking out, so I'm going to have to be careful if I'm going to make a trade. If I make this trade right here, which I'm in position now, short, I'm going to still watch this here at about 8 o'clock, or 6 o'clock, my bad, and see what the action's at. And if I'm peeking out, I may take some profits and maybe just go ahead and get out. Otherwise, I'm looking for this trade to continue down to here, and then on into the future here we have this thing is the blue line's going high, the green line's going low, so we're probably going to get some consolidation in here. This might not be the low, it might happen over in here, but I haven't looked that far ahead yet. So that's a review of today's action. I'll be back tomorrow. Perfect Storm Trading.